helicopter departs the rescue area, the SARTEX would at this time administer any first aid that is required by the victim. Buffalo search and rescue aircraft that could be in the area knows exactly where they are. Again, the capacity of the helicopter is 30 seated troops or 45 standing troops or 16 stretchers complete with medics. The CH-149 taking a look at the approach area, make sure there are no obstructions or any obstacles. Useful load of the aircraft is 5,443 kilograms. That comes out to 12,000 pounds. And again, it is powered by 3 General Electric T700 T6A1 turboshaft engine, each putting out power of 1,723 shaft horsepower. And a service ceiling of 15,000 feet. Forming some again, the capability of this very advanced helicopter. CH-149 Cormorant began riding at 19th wing in October of 2001, replacing the aging CH-113 Labrador. Many of you who have been coming to this air show for many years will remember great Labrador demonstrations here at the Abbotsford Air Show. 5 search and rescue configured Cormorants are now in service with Comox's 442 Search and Rescue Squadron, which is helicopter is one of them. Facing this great air show crowd. And there's the bow. To you, the people of British Columbia, Canada, say thank you for the crew of the CH-149 Cormorant Search and Rescue Helicopter. Now, Ken, we're going to allow the helicopter to go back to its parking area, and you may have noticed it's parked way off on the far end of the static line, and that's basically because it needs to be able to